Let's step into a world of beauty, elegance, and an amazing splash of color. Welcome to the fabulous story of the flamingos. Did you know that these graceful birds aren't just about looks? They live fascinating lives that are as colorful as their feathers. Flamingos can be found in some of the most stunning places on Earth. Picture this: sprawling salt flats, shimmering lagoons, and tropical wetlands. These are the homes of flamingos, scattered across continents like Africa, South America, the Caribbean, and even parts of Asia and Europe. Flamingos thrive in salty or alkaline environments that might be too harsh for other creatures. Their long legs and webbed feet are perfect for wading through shallow waters, while their distinctive beaks are designed to scoop up their meals. Get ready, because there's so much more to learn about these fabulous birds that will have you hooked. Now let's talk about how many types of flamingos there are. Believe it or not, there are 6 unique species of flamingos around the world. The most famous is the greater flamingo, known for its tall stature and pale pink feathers. Then we have the lesser flamingo. There's also the Indian flamingo, James's flamingo, Chilean flamingo, and the American flamingo, which is native to the Caribbean. These flamingos may look very similar, but each has their own uniqueness. Now, what keeps these beautiful birds so vibrant? Flamingos are filter feeders, using their specialized beaks to sift through water for food. Their eating habits not only nourish them, but also help maintain the ecosystem by stirring up sediments in the water. Their diet is the secret ingredient. Flamingos feast on algae, small shrimp, and other tiny organisms rich in pigments called carotenoids. These pigments are what give flamingos their famous pink and reddish hues. Their journey to vibrant hues takes about 2 to 3 years. Without this colorful diet, flamingos would actually be white or gray. The deeper the pink, the healthier and more well-fed the flamingo are. It's like wearing your health on your feathers. This unique feeding behavior is rare among birds and is incredibly efficient in separating food from mud and water. The curved shape of their beaks allows them to feed while their heads are inverted, making them true masters of their watery habitats. Another remarkable trait of flamingos is their ability to tolerate salt. Many of the lakes and lagoons they inhabit are salty or alkaline, environments too harsh for most animals. Flamingos possess special glands near their eyes called salt glands, which filter excess salt from their bloodstream. The salt is excreted through their nostrils, allowing flamingos to thrive in areas where few competitors can survive. Let's not forget their exceptional eyesight. Flamingos rely heavily on their vision for communication and foraging. They can see ultraviolet light, a spectrum invisible to humans. This ability might help them identify food, navigate their surroundings, or even recognize potential mates. Their keen eyesight is also crucial for staying safe in their vast, open habitats. Flamingos are truly built to last. In the wild, these birds can live up to 30 years, and in protected environments like Wildlife Nature Preserve, they can even reach 50 years old. Flamingos are incredibly social animals. They live in colonies that can range from just a few dozen to thousands of birds. These flocks aren't just for show. They help flamingos find mates, protect themselves from predators, and work together to raise their young. Now let's talk about flamingo families. After the parents build a mud mound nest, the female lays a single egg. Both parents take turns incubating the egg, keeping it warm and protected. This process lasts about 27 to 31 days, just under a month. When the chick hatches, it's fed a special crop milk that both mom and dad produce. The young, covered in soft gray down, is ready to begin its journey as a part of the flamingo colony. But did you know flamingos are also fantastic communicators? Using a mix of honks, grunts, and growls, they communicate with their flock. Their vocalizations help signal danger, coordinate movements, and even identify their chicks among thousands of others. That's right, every chick has a unique voice imprint that its parents recognize. Isn't that remarkable? Did you know flamingos can fly? And the answer is yes. Flamingos are excellent flyers. They're capable of traveling hundreds of miles to find better feeding grounds or warmer climates. When flying, they stretch their necks forward and legs straight back, creating an elegant silhouette. Their flocks often fly in V formations, conserving energy and creating an awe-inspiring sight in the sky. When it's time to take a nap, flamingos can sleep standing on one leg, a skill that helps conserve energy and maintain body heat. They're also surprisingly flexible, using their long necks to preen every feather, ensuring they stay waterproof and tidy all day. As we wrap up this colorful journey on flamingos, flamingos are not just a beautiful symbol of the natural world. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They release nutrients into the water, supporting the health of aquatic habitats and benefiting countless other species. If you like this video, subscribe to Bear Bunk Lowdown for the love of animals, and hit the like button if you enjoyed these fascinating flamingos. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the fascinating world of flamingos. And remember, these graceful birds remain a symbol of beauty and balance in our world for generations to come. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and let's work together to keep our world colorful and thriving.